Hi, welcome to your channel Versatile for You. My name is SNLE and I have started this tutorial of Python for beginners. So this is my second lecture in which I will tell you how to install Anaconda and how to launch spyder. So let's get started. Lecture number 2, download and install Anaconda, launch spyder. So there are some questions which will have risen in your mind. What is Anaconda, what is spyder, what is PyCharm, why we should use Anaconda and spyder. So I'm going to tell you what is Anaconda. Anaconda is free and open source distribution of Python and R programming languages for scientific computing. And what is spyder? Spyder is scientific Python development environment, is a free integrated development environment that is included with Anaconda. It includes editing, interactive testing, debugging and introspection features. And what is PyCharm? PyCharm is an integrated development environment called IDE used in computer programming, especially for Python languages. So Anaconda is basically a software used for Python. And why we should use Anaconda and spyder? Anaconda is popular because it's bring many of the tools used in data science and machine learning with just one click of install. So it's great for having short and simple setup. So Anaconda also use the concept of creating environment so as to isolate different libraries and version. And spyder is also pre-installed in Anaconda Navigator, which is included in Anaconda. So that's why we should use Anaconda and spyder. And how to download and install Anaconda, how to launch spyder, how to use them. So I will tell you these things in this lecture. So let's get started. How to download Anaconda. Go to your Google. Here you write simply download Anaconda. Download Anaconda like this. Here is first www.anaconda.com. From this website you should open it. This is website of Anaconda. From this you can download Anaconda. So there we saw two, Python 3.7 version and Python 2.7 version. But 3.7 version is the latest version of Windows. Here you should install for Windows, and you can install from Linux too. These are simple menus you can click on. For this, for Mac operating system installer, for Linux installer you should click here, but I have Windows, so I am using Windows 7. So here is 64-bit graphical installer and 32-bit graphical installer. If your Windows is 64-bit, then you install this by clicking on this like this. Click, and it's going to install there. I have already installed it, so I will cancel it and show you procedure. After download this, go to your downloads. Here is the folder Anaconda 3. So you should open it. It's opened and run. Here's menu open like this. Then you click next, and this is the agreement. I agree. Click on I agree. And here's install for just me or for all users. So it's recommended you check just me option and then next. And here destination folder, it is automatically goes to C, so don't change it and click next. But I have already installed it, so it may create any error, maybe. Yes. So now I will tell you further procedure here from these. So here you click next, and this menu open. So check this option, second one, register Anaconda as my default Python 3.7, and then click on install. So after clicking install, after installing, it shows like this. If you want to install PyCharm if you want to work on PyCharm instead of spyder, then you can click this link or simply on this PC icon, PyCharm icon, then you can download PyCharm from this website. So otherwise I should not recommend you to use PyCharm. I recommend you to use spyder. So click on next button, and this is finish. So finish it. So but there are some problems Ryzen when you install Anaconda from this website, like this error may be occur, fail to create minus. But so now I will tell you second way how to install Anaconda software without facing any error. So go to your Google. Here you write download Anaconda, or simply write Anaconda archive, this, and open the first Anaconda installer archive. I will also share the link in the description of the video. So now I showing you by zoom it. So this is right now. Okay. So this is Anaconda 2. You don't install Anaconda 2, you should install Anaconda 3 because it's a latest version. It's for Linux, and here is for Windows. This is 86 and this is for 32-bit, and where here is written 64, it's for 64-bit operating system. So you should click on this and it's installed like this. Yeah, where is it? Yeah, click on it and it's going to be installed, and it's installing. Yes, this is. So I have already installing this, so I will cancel it. So after installation there are same procedures like this. Yes, this, and then register Anaconda as my default Python, and then click on install, then next. Here there is no error, and after installing this you should go to your start menu, and here you should search Anaconda navigator. Here is Anaconda navigator, then you click on it. So it's opening. As we know, Anaconda is free and open source distribution of Python and R programming languages for scientific computing. Anaconda is popular because it brings many of the tools used in data science and machine learning with just one click of install. So here is the menu is open. Here is the Jupyter Lab. Here is Jupyter Notebook. I will also tell you how to use Jupyter Notebook in future lectures. So now here is spyder. So you can launch this by just clicking on launch button. Here is launch button and click on it. Launch. It's launching. And opening. In spyder we will perform coding. So it's opening. Yes, it's open. So this is the view of spyder. This is from this you can write a, here I will zoom it. Yeah, here you write code. For example, x is equal to 7, and on second line you write print and in bracket x, yes, and then you go to run button. This is yeah, run button, and click on run, or you can simply type F5 button from your keyboard. This is run. Okay, yes, and here you see 7. It is the result in console. So I will explain you in future lecture how to use spyder in details. So if you face any problem in launching spyder, then you can go to setting here and install specific version. If 3.33 is not installed in your computer, then you go to down versions. There is no difference. You can perform same work on this. So you can click on this and launch again. So this is a way how to install Anaconda and launch spyder. I will also leave the links in the description of videos, and I hope you like my explanation. If you face any problem or error, then you can ask me, and for those special members of WhatsApp group, you would ask me in group. So meet you in next video where we will properly start learning Python programming. So bye for now, take care.